So the $1,000,000 question is did I get a nose job? And the answer to that, no, I did not get a nose job. But I will show you guys what my secret is to getting a smaller nose. I do this in my photos sometimes, I'll do it in my videos, and that is just basic contour. I will basically show you guys how I contour my nose, and this is going to be a quick video. I do want to put this out there just real quick. I posted this on my Instagram also, but my videos are going to be short. I do want my videos to be shorter but more entertaining. I'm trying to keep my videos around 5 minutes. 5 minutes probably the most. Maybe like 7 minutes the most. I don't know yet, but I don't want them to be overly long. I do want them shorter and to the point and entertaining. So with that being said, let's just get right into it. And then I have an announcement. Jeez, I can't talk. I have an announcement to make at the end of this video, so just stay tuned. No, I did not get a nose job. I just know how to contour my nose, and it's something that you learn. I didn't always do it, but since I'm contouring pretty much my face, I kind of wanted to contour my nose, have it a little bit more narrow and small. As you guys can see, my nose is pretty small, but to make it a little bit smaller, these are the steps that I take to make my nose a little bit smaller. So what you will need is pretty much some concealer, which the one that I'm using is the one from Maybelline. You will need a contour stick, and I use the one from Fit Me in the shade Coconut. You will need your choice of bronzer. The one that I use is the one from NARS in the Laguna shade, and it's my favorite. Love this, and I hit pan, so I need to get a new one here soon. You will need a couple of brushes, and then this is optional, but I'm going to do it today because I really wanted to test this out. It is NikkieTutorials highlighter Everglow, and this came in my Allure beauty box, and it looks like that. It's so cute. So I will be putting this on my face and letting you guys know, do I like it?
The doors OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up. OPN. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The doors OPN. Take that high road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe hard and
Pretty much it. So as you guys can tell, my nose looks narrow. I don't like to overdo it, but it does look narrow and it looks a little bit smaller, so I do like that too. I don't know how I feel about this highlight. On camera it's picking it up pretty well and it looks really nice, but in person it just looks like, I don't know. I'm not liking it too much. I will say though that these are really pretty colors, so I think what I'm going to be doing is using these as eyeshadow, and that's what I usually do sometimes. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I hope you guys learned something from this video. To answer your question, no, I did not get a nose job. I just contour my nose now. It didn't used to before, but now I'm starting to contour my nose and I do like it. So the winner of my $100 gift certificate to Sephora is my follower, my Instagram follower, and my subscriber, Jessica. She won my contest. I also do want to let you guys know that I will be doing more giveaways, so this will not be the only one, but this is the first of many. You have a good chance to win the next one. So I do want to say thank you guys so much for being subscribed. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for the lovely comments, and thank you guys for watching my videos. Thank you so much. I am so thankful and happy for every single one of you. So thank you. Thank you guys once again. Have a good weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video.